Hey everyone, welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Friday, December 9th, 2022. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, make sure you follow along with the various social platforms that we have there. Make sure you ring the bell and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get updated with all the latest and greatest of everything that we put out there. And we've got these types of videos going out every single day. All right, with that, I want to start off with economic reports. Today is a big day, right? I am waiting with bated breath for the 8:30 report for the CPI. Now it's core PPI. It's core PPI, month over month, and then it's PPI, which is everything included, not just the core. And then at 10 o'clock, we've got consumer sentiment, which will also be a very important report. Again, how that consumer feels, PPI, what it's costing producers to make, right? Producer price index to make stuff. All right, from there, let's go take a look at the futures. And everything is a sea of green today. We've got the ES, which is the S&P 500, is up 21. The Dow's up 115. The Nasdaq's up about 80. RUT's up 7. Bitcoin is still at that 17,000 level, up 60. Ethereum is at 1286, up 9. Gold is up 11 and change, and oil, crude, is up 58 cents to $72 a barrel. Me likey, good, right? I couldn't believe it. I paid $3.19 for gas in New York the other day. I got a Costco, but I also saw it one other place at a Shell station in Oceanside, New York, and it was $3.19 a gallon cash, but hey, $3.19 a gallon. So great prices to finally start seeing hit the docket a little bit, the wire. All right, so let's go take a look at our candidates. All right, so we've got Costco is our very first one on the docket. They came out with earnings today. They're down $1.42, down to $480. So news has driven them down. What's the pattern look like? It's bearish. Where are we sitting? At a number 2, we're right near the fib line. We're down at $480 right now. We've got resistance at $484. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above $484. Costco is on my power option plays list. So this one I'm going to also look at, or a long option. In this case, a long put. We're going to look to buy a put potentially. All right, DOCU, DOCU, they also have earnings come out. DocuSign is up $5 on that news to $48.80, $49 we'll call it. So if we kind of zoom in on DocuSign, and if we're at 49, what are we exactly? 48.80. So 48.22, we're above that level at 48.80. Do we need a fib in here? That's question number 1. 42 to 48 is $6. We look at this number here, it's 571. The answer is yes. The $6, the distance of these two fib lines is greater than what I have the RR Fibit column. So yes, we have to split that level in half. All RR Fibit is twice or double the wildest average true range. So we need a negative 136. We're going to add a 118, which one we need right now. And we're going to look at a bull put spread below 45. Lululemon. Let's see what they've got going on. All right, so they've been in a nice bullish move. Lululemon had earnings come out. They are down $26 a share. So now, bullish pattern. The question we have to ask is, was the news enough to interrupt the pattern, to change the direction we see the market going on this stock? Well, let's take the elevator down and see what's happened on Lulu. Right, so let's go here, and I'll kind of zoom in a little bit. And if we're sitting right now at 348.5, so we broke through here. So we were in a bullish bias. Once we got below the 21, we're in a neutral bias, and which is fine. We're sitting at 348, so we're right above that 346 level. I have resistance at 361, and it's a confluence of the 21 moving average. I like it a lot. We've got $23, so 46, 56, 66. We don't need a split. We don't need a split of that a level. We don't need to split that. That's the Brooklynese coming out. Sorry. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 361. And there are 250 increments on Lulu. Microsoft was listed as a top pick by Goldman Sachs. They're up 90 cents right now on the day to $248.30. If we get a bigger look at the fibs, right, there we go. We were in a kind of a neutral-ish to bullish bias. We were right there on that moving average yesterday. So we're at 248 in jingle. We're up here. We're going to look at a bull put spread. That 230, that 247 level is a little bit too close. We're going to look at that below 240. At 239.96, below that level. We haven't been there now in weeks. All right, then we've got Netflix. They were upgraded by Wells Fargo. They're up another $8 and change today. Great job. Look at that stair-step pattern for them. Right, good bounce on them. They're sitting at 318 right now, so they're right at resistance. We're going to look at either a bull put spread below 306 or a long option, which in this case would be a call on Netflix. Why? Because they're on my power option plays list. I know them, I like them, I understand them, I trade them, so I can consider news on this news to trade a directional position. If you don't know, like, and understand that stock, then do not do that. Just stick with the credit spread. That's what they're meant for. All right, last is RH. Last one. Right, they're $3.92. They were listed by on an upgrade as a maintain. They came out, the broker came out and said, yes, we are maintaining focus on this stock. It's driven them up $4 to 270, which puts them above our highest moving average, which is the pink line, the 8. Actually, it's the green line. So 269.77, we're just barely above it. But we're good. We're good. We're in a bullish bias. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 264. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 8:30 a.m., you've got a report. Look for it. 10 a.m., you've got a report. Look for it. Caution on the trade today. It is a Friday. Look at the potential profit taking on the day. And that PPI is going to be setting us up for what we're looking at for next week, all right? Along with consumer sentiment. So make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you next week at our next update. Bye for now.